So the fourth floor study or the department store study was part of a larger research project that William Labov conducted in the 1960s. He was looking at features of New York English. And one of the features he was looking at was the pronunciation or non pronunciation of the letter R in particular contexts. So, specifically, whether people pronounced an R at the end of a word or before a consonant. And he was looking at influence of social class, and he was also looking at the effect of the amount of attention somebody's paid to their speech as they were talking. So he went into 3 different department stores that were catering to different social classes in their clientele.
Sure.
But I believe the upper class one was Saks, I think the middle one was Macy's, and the more of the working class was Klein's. The employees at the store would be speaking a variety of English that would be similar to what people of that class would be using. So he would go into each of these stores and he would approach an employee at the store and he would ask for something that he knew was located on the 4th floor of the store. And then when the person would respond with 4th floor,
Hmm.
then he would act like he didn't understand them or he didn't hear them, and then they would repeat it a little more carefully than they did before. And then he would hide around the corner or something and document whether the person said the R's in both 4th and in floor. So basically what he found was that